Your Lordship may look at, I'll just...
Please bring the microphone down.
Your Lordship, I am the daughter of the petitioner. I am appearing in person through a power of attorney.
All right.
Your Lordship, there are two properties which belong to my family. My father is a partner in the partnership firm. We are the sole residents of that property. Now, there is one property which is a Grade 1 heritage building which was demolished without any proper due course. And now those...
The microphone will still come down.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
They at the helm of the two properties of my parents, there was a wall and beyond that wall there was a property, Grade 1 heritage property. Now those people bought some...
Those people means?
It's bought by a society. It's
All
bought
right.
by a society, and they have illegally first broken the wall. They started using a private passage, and they demolished the entire Grade 1 heritage property, and they made a new structure in that place. Thereafter, now to harass us, to drive us away, they made several constructions on our boundary wall. Instead of leaving that 1 meter, 1.2 meters, they've made constructions on our boundary wall. They're harassing us. They're sending people to us. Now, currently, they placed a chariot-like vehicle in front of the common passage of the two properties of us, and they blocked our way. It's been 20 days. I have given several complaints to several authorities, police authorities, KMC. Nothing is being done. Thereafter, I went to the court. I filed a 133 CRPC application that is for urgent removal of public nuisance. There was order passed after perusing the documents. The learned court passed an order for removal of the obstruction. That also has not been complied. Thereafter, my mother tried to move that, and they placed bricks so that it comes down with inertia. It just comes down, and it came down on her head. She's been in very bad state. After 3-4 days, I moved a put-up petition before the learned court. I'll just come down with the orders. Your Lordship,
what do you do? What do you do?
I am currently looking after all the property matters of my parents.
Why are you not engaging a learned advocate to deal with all these matters?
Your Lordship, it was very short period of time, therefore I just moved it.
All right.
Your Lordship, page number 33.
Yes.
Page number 33, there is, it is our assessment record. It is our garage space. If you look at the column 2, second row of column 2, it is our garage space, 28 Baranashigul Street. Now, thereafter, if we come to page number 41, Your Lordship.
Tell me, what is the relief that you are presently seeking?
I'm seeking to free the ingress egress. The police officer should comply with the orders of the learned magistrate, should free our ingress egress, and they should ensure our safety. When I call them, even if there's something major happening, they don't come down to our place. For ours, they won't come down. That day, I had to call the ambulance, and thereafter they came to our property when they realized that, it might just escalate. My mother was bleeding profusely. There was so many things happening. Nothing is being done. I keep calling 100. I keep calling the local police station. Nothing's being done.
Show me the order of the magistrate.
Your Lordship, it's page number 59, Your Lordship. Fourth paragraph, Your Lordship. Operator portion.
And the private respondents?
They had appeared that day, but nobody filed a wakalatnama. I don't know who.
They were there before the regular bench.
Who is the learned advocate? Are you aware? Because you moved it today. Did you give notice to the learned advocate? Possibly not. And that is the reason they are not there. Are you aware?
It's a society. They're running a school. It's a society. They're running a school.
Also, Your Lordship.
No, but then the society doesn't have any right to block somebody's passage.
No. The issue is something otherwise. If I may, if my learned friend has finished, you bolo.
Your Lordship, also about this, they're trying to establish a school. It's a Grade 1 heritage property which they've demolished, and it's a dwelling house as per the assessment record. As per the KMC rules, the minimum width of a passage.
I understand, but the corporation ought to have been made a party over here, because the allegation of making construction, firstly demolishing a Grade 1 heritage property, then making construction, all these things are to be looked into by the corporation, the heritage committee. There are authorities to look after all these things. But then possibly if you could have taken
Help of a
assistance of a learned advocate, it would have been better.
lawyer. I do agree.
And last occasion, somebody was there. Is the name recorded? Yes, Anjan Ray, Shubhajit Chaudhuri, and some Mohapatro. Do you know?
No, I don't know.
Don't know. If you can get hold of the phone numbers, inquire from some of your friends so that I can.
My lord, may I get hold of that Okalatnama? I think there is a number given of the advocate record, Lordship. Lordship, kindly give.
1 minute. Pradeep, please check up the phone number. If it is there in the Vakalatnama has not
Kindly
been tagged.
give us, Lordship. We can.
Been tagged as yet. Please check up. Just wait.
On that day, they had given the undertaking that
Tell me,
they.
what is your submission?
My lord, here, my lord, the issue is, my lord, that parking of a private car by the petitioner, thereby blocking the egress and ingress of a passage, which the petitioner says is our private passage. The private respondent society says it is a common passage. Petitioners are owners of the adjoining plot holders. Now, my lord, these, my lord, private respondents, they have a school inside. For egress and ingress, they have a chariot of Lord Jagannath Dev. So, my lord, this chariot, they cannot take inside the school campus because it is being blocked by the parking of their vehicle in front of the passage. So what they do, this cart or chariot, they have parked on the corporation road, as well as their car is also on the corporation road, blocking the road. This is private respondent society. They are the owners of 30 Banarasi Road. And my petitioners, they are the owners and residents of 32 and 28 Banarasi Road. So, Lordship, this is the whole problem. So these private respondents, since they're unable to take their chariot inside the school campus because of the blockade, so they have kept it. Now, regarding that incident of assault, which my learned madam is referring to, that is the incident of, my lord, 15th May 2024, she is alleging. It so happened that since, my lord, the chariot made of wood, they covered it with tarpaulin. As the report goes, my lord, they covered it with tarpaulin. And so it does not fly it off. Because of national calamity, they put this bricks and all, Lordship. And in the morning, my lord, they tried to, my lord, throw it away for giving this. So then the brick fell and that assault happened. So that is the report.
It was not an assault. It was an accident, you say?
Accident. That is what my friend is telling is assault. That not assault. That is accident. They tried to remove the chariot by tarpaulin. It fell down and Lordship. And regarding this issue, 3 proceedings by Madam, 133, 104, 107 and 144. And another proceeding is suit by the private respondents society before the City Civil Code, where there is, my lord, and is regarding construction part. So for the heritage part is concerned, as the report goes, it says that the heritage, it is no more a heritage. They have taken permission from it. They have annexed the documents of the corporation. So this is the scenario. And last concluding part is the helpless cry of the police. May I read out that whenever the PS received any information from the petitioner or her family member over telephone directly or through dial 100, every time visited the said place, but both the parties are rigid on their point, and this PS unable to remove both the cars with their car and the chariot of Lord Jagannath Lordship from the common passage, as a civil suit is pending before the learned civil court, and no specific order received from any court regarding removal of the vehicle of both the parties. So this is the scenario at the moment, Lordship. And when, my lord, we went for inquiry,
Very well.
it was a 133 proceeding.
Is the phone number there? No, Vakalatnama filed without the phone number. Does anybody know Anjan Ray, Shubhajit Chaudhuri, and Shulubhanik Mohapatro? Nobody? Find out from the Bar Association, the membership book.
Directory.
Yes.
Your Lordship, if I may be able to, after the report has been submitted, first of all, there is only 133 proceedings we have been trying to avoid because there have been multiple law and order situations.
133 is removal of nuisance, right?
That
now, what the report from the police says, there are allegation and counter allegation.
Allegations against police, Your Lordship.
Allegation against police, and the police says that every time you've called, they have come, maybe at a delayed point of time. In the meantime, the accident did take place and all these things happened. But you have to find out a remedy. You say it is your land and the chariot is placed in front of your passage. They say it is a common passage. and a civil suit is pending. So what is the
So
police
there
to
is no
do?
civil suit with regards to they cannot move a civil suit because they will be in trouble. The only civil suit they filed, I'm carrying the papers because I know that they will.
Civil suit is not there, you say?
There is a title suit. They wanted to work within their premises for sewerage work. This is what their prayer was. And misusing that order.
Tell
they
me one
came to
thing,
my private-
assuming the chariot is permitted to enter into the premise.
I took out I am going out and coming back. The car is not there to be parked. I mean, it is to be
Continuously, it's
It's
not
not
parked,
there.
so they can take their chariot inside.
It's a sham they're putting up so that it seems like okay, we are there.
Please get hold of the learned advocates from the private respondents. I'm passing it over for the time being. Madam, please wait. 3.
May I put the report on record, Lordship?
Please come
Oh,
back.
Lordship.
এই নামগুলো একটু দিয়ে দিন তো